And it's now time for our regular Monday magazine feature, Sporting Greats. He's considered the greatest West Indies captain of all time. Born on August 1, 1924, the Honourable Sir Frank Mortimer Maglin Worrell, sometimes referred to by his nickname of Tay, was a Barbadian cricketer and Jamaican senator. He was a stylish right-handed batsman and a useful left-arm seam bowler who became famous in the 1950s as the first black captain of the West Indies cricket team. He was the first batter to have been involved in two 500-run partnerships and remained the only one until Ravindra Jadeja emulated him in the 2010s. In 1947, Worrell moved to Jamaica where he continued playing competitively. As a player for West Indies, Worrell made his Test debut in the 1947-48 series against England and became part of the famous 3 Ws, Everton Weekes and Clyde Walcott being the other two. He made his highest Test score of 261 against England at Trentbridge in 1950 and was named Wisden Cricketer of the Year for 1951. Worrell became the first black cricketer to captain the West Indies team for an entire series, thus breaking the colour barrier which then existed. He led the team on two particularly notable tours. First to Australia in 1960-61, where they achieved the first tied test. At the end of the tour, Worrell and his team were given a large ticker-tape parade send-off in Melbourne, the first ever to be given to a visiting team. Such was Worrell's conduct on and off the field that the Sir Frank Worrell Trophy is awarded to the winner of the Test series between West Indies and Australia. After the 60-61 series against Australia, they went to England where the West Indies won the series 3-1, and when India toured the Windies in 62, Worrell's men won the series by 5-0 and became the first West Indies captain to whitewash an opposition in Test cricket. He retired from cricket after the West Indies-England series and became a warden of Irvine Hall at the University of the West Indies and was later appointed to the Jamaican Senate by Sir Alexander Bustamante. He was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II for his services to cricket as part of Her Majesty's 1964 New Year's honours. Worrell managed the West Indies team during the 1964-65 visit by Australia. He also accompanied the team to India in the winter of 66-67. Several cricket grounds around the region have been named in his honour. Worrell died on March 13, 1967. He was inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame in 2009. A memorial service was held in his honour in Westminster Abbey, the first such honour for a sportsman. He won several other major awards, and the Central Bank of Barbados commemorated the 30th anniversary in 2002 with a limited $5 banknote bearing Worrell's likeness was issued. Worrell played 51 Test matches from 1948 to 1963, made 9 Test centuries, 22 half-centuries, and won 2 of the 3 Test series he captained. His only loss came on the Australian tour of 1960-61, where they were beaten 2-1 in the 5 Test series, with 1 drawn and the other tied. Sir Frank Mortimer Maglin Worrell was truly a sporting great. All right, sporting great. And that's where we leave it for sports and CVM News at 7. I'm Jordan Fort. Have a wonderful rest of your evening.